Alright, I got a Harbor Freight 800 watt portable generator. Bought it for $80 today. Got it plugged into 5,000 BTU window air conditioner. I haven't tried this yet. I really don't think it's going to work. But I just wanted to show you guys on film. If it does, it'd be great for hurricane season here in Texas when we go without electricity and have 100-degree weather. Go ahead and give it a shot, Steven. Yeah. Is it blowing? Is it really? No shit. Is it cold? Wow. I didn't expect that at all. Huh? Okay. Is it really? Well, I was totally wrong. That's going to be great for the hurricane season. Good job, little Jenny.